Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Here I've got a leather case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max by Torro, so let's take a look. This case cost me £35 on Amazon, and as you can see the box is a fairly standard affair. It's just a basic cardboard box with nothing particularly premium feeling about it. In the box with the case is a foam insert which is there presumably to help keep the shape of the case and maybe protect against a little bit of moisture. There's also this nice leather Torro sort of emblem, which is a nice touch. The case feels soft and well made using good quality materials. The camera ring looks and feels like aluminium. I'm not sure it actually is, but it certainly looks like that, and it's got this sort of brushed metal finish that matches the case, as do the action button and the volume buttons. There's an embossed logo on the side of the case towards the bottom there. As you'd expect, the side button or the power button matches the other buttons as well, and we've got the cutout on the case for the camera control. Moving to the bottom of the case, we've got the cutouts for the speakers and the mic, as well as the USB-C charging port. Sometimes the very edge of the case above the charging port can be a little bit fragile and maybe a weak spot, but I don't think that's the case with this one. The inside of the case is lined with a soft microfiber, which also features the MagSafe ring and the manufacturer branding. The microfiber lining though does not extend to the inside edges of the case border, which is a shame. Nonetheless, this is still a very high quality feeling case. It's clearly made with very good materials, well put together, and it's a premium case. Fitting the phone into the case is very easy. It goes in very well indeed, but I don't want to give the impression that that in any way takes away from the quality feel of the case. It feels snug without being too tight, and it's very nice indeed. Looking at the cutouts again, they're really precise. I do prefer when they use the individual holes because it tends to be more comfortable on the finger there, but I think this case being as soft as it is, it's not going to be an issue. It adds no bulk at all, this case. It's comfortable, lightweight, and still offers good grip. The slightly raised edges for a lay on the table design, and despite the camera bump, you don't get a lot of wobble. This anchor cable is considerably thicker than the standard Apple cable you get with the iPhone. Even so, it fits into the charging port with the case on no problem and charges perfectly. MagSafe works really well, as you'd expect, and the magnetic connection is very strong. All of the buttons on this case are very responsive, as you can see here. Overall, this is a really nice case. It's light, it's comfortable, it's really well made. It was £35 compared to what Apple used to sell their leather cases for, which was £59. So if you're in the market for a leather case for your iPhone 16 Pro Max, this is definitely worth a try. Thank you for watching.